Good morning, everybody. So I thought that while I am watering the GreenStalk this morning, I would show you where we are at. Just give you a general overview. So the last time I filmed these GreenStalks, we had just planted the strawberries. And these were the Albion strawberries from M.I. Gardner. And that's the only strawberry that survived out of the 30 that we purchased. And I did end up talking to them, and by then they were out of strawberries. So they just gave me a stock credit, which was a little disappointing. So what I ended up doing is I have got some more strawberries from a company called Handpicked Strawberries, and that's what we're going to be planting either today or tomorrow, because I think according to the instructions I have to soak some stuff in a package for 24 hours in a bucket. I think I should get my mic. I'll be right back. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and finish doing this section instead of cutting us off. So anyway, I also need to start taking these things off since it's no longer freezing at night. I think we should be okay. So let me just give you a general rundown of what we have on each GreenStalk. At the bottom, we have the Chinese cabbage, and it's on every other pocket. And then on every other pocket, I have this micro mini tomatoes. It's a determinant, and it's called a red robin dwarf tomato. And it should grow to be about, I believe they said 15 inches tall. And we have 2 of those. So we have 1 empty pocket at the bottom. And I'm thinking I may put a sweet potato in that pocket if I have any that have survived. And then on the next tier, we have some spinach, which I need to start pulling out because it is starting to bolt. And we have interspersed spinach with cilantro on that second level, and some of the pockets are empty. Some more spinach and an empty pocket. I'm not really doing a good job with this. And then on the next level, you can see the strawberries did not grow at all, like I said, except for that one. Like you can see, the little strawberry pockets are now empty because I'm just going to pull those strawberries out and plant the new ones. And we have a spinach there, and we also have a spinach in the next pocket. And then at the very top, I'm doing my herbs, and we have the Greek oregano right there. It's a Greek oregano again. Then we have some rosemary and some dill. Dead strawberry, we're going to replace that. And it's the same story for that whole top pocket. And then on the second GreenStalk, we have my trusty onions, and that's still the Egyptian walking onions. And the top part of this GreenStalk had all strawberries, so we'll be replacing those. And then on the second pocket, we have some Chinese broccoli. Then we have my herb over here, and that's the German winter thyme. This stuff smells so good. Wish you could smell that. Alright, so I'm going to walk around and show you the front. Okay, so we just talked about the thyme. And we have the onion. So those are getting ready to be pulled out. And behind that, well, in front of that, we have the Chinese cabbage right there. That was some more of that oregano that died in that pocket. And another pocket over there that had strawberries. D, stay with mommy. Then we have some more of the Chinese broccoli. And on that whole pocket, that's what we have throughout. No, actually, I'm sorry. This is cauliflower on all 6 of those pockets. And the bottom is empty on that one. And then on this one, we have the Chinese cabbage in every other pocket. And then on the next level, I believe this is where we have the Chinese broccoli. And I have a label somewhere. We'll find it. And we need to hold that up, so I need to get one more of those little GreenStalk trellising things to hold that up. Then on the next level, we have, well, that has gone to seed. Not to seed, it's bolting. That was spinach. And then we have some cilantro. And so these 2 pockets, oh, let's first finish showing you what's in the pockets. So we had strawberries in that pocket. And like I said, they're all dead. So we're going to be replacing those today. And then we have some more German thyme. I really love that thyme. It smells really good. And then we have lettuce and some more German thyme. So once this lettuce is out of here, I'll replace that with strawberries as well. We have some more thyme in that pocket. And I may just put strawberries in every empty pocket, including the bottom longer ones. Because when we initially did this, the 2 top pockets were going to have strawberries on them. That did not pan out, so I planted other things in there until I found the new Seascape strawberries that we're going to try. So once we make that decision, by the end of the day today, I'll bring you back and let you know what I've decided as we plant those strawberries. So let me give you one more overview. And that's it for now. Bye, Teenies.